Okay, this is Poppy Bird, our Budgie baby. Should look at the camera. Of course, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet, not till she gets older. We call her Poppy now, but uh, I guess I could do for a male or female name. Anyway, this is Poppy. Poppy has a problem with her legs. They're splayed, as you're going to see now. I'm going to try and let you see. Um, you can see this leg here is not yet atrophied, but it's not like it should be. The right leg is um, not as bad. It can grip, but it overcompensates by stretching out, as you can see. Okay, Poppy. Okay. So, Poppy had her first visit to the vet today, and aside from her legs, she's very healthy. She's maybe a little bit small for her age, but we're working on correcting that by supplementally hand feeding her now. You can see the seeds in her crop there. That's from right here. You can see that's from where her the parents are feeding her. When I feed Poppy, it's with baby formula, human baby formula, but it works the same because it has the same nutrients. Okay, Poppy Bird. Okay, baby. Oh, and you can see her feathers are coming in nicely. Coming in very good. She's going to be colored like her mother and father, it looks like. Her tail feathers too. Okay, anyway. This is the exercise physiotherapy that the vet prescribed so that the ligaments in Poppy's foot will hopefully strengthen so that she can then use this leg. Because you can see the leg is kind of just hanging there, it's a bit useless. She is able to grip a bit with the foot, but it's not as strong as it should be. Okay, what's happened is the foot should be like this. The foot should be up like this a bit to be more normal, and she's just shat on my keyboard. Thanks, Poppy. So, what the vet prescribed is that each day we take and put the claw on the thumb here like this, and then just gently bend the foot up like this. Just keep doing that so that it strengthens the ligaments in the leg here and in the ankle. And then once that starts to correct itself, hopefully it will start to correct itself. Then the hip muscle will get strengthened also. And Poppy is not in any pain or anything. She gets aggravated sometimes from being held for so long, but it's for the long run. That's why I'm doing it, so that she has a better quality of life when she's an adult bird. I still think she's probably not going to be as healthy as some of the others that we have flying around here, but I'm going to do everything that I can to give her a normal, happy, healthy life, and this is part of it. This physiotherapy to help correct the splay leg problem. Okay, Poppy, that's your 10 minutes of fame. Say goodbye. Goodbye. And you can see she's very bright-eyed, and she's, as far as I can tell, she's happy. She seems happy. She doesn't seem sad. She doesn't seem to be in pain. And she eats very well. I introduced her last night to some malunggay, which is a green leafy vegetable here in the Philippines. And she really enjoyed it. She ate it. You can see she's a bit tired now because for the past half hour or so, I've been exercising her legs. So she's about ready for a nap. So I'm going to go put her back in the nest box. So she'll be with the mother and father. I'll take another video again later, hopefully with some progress showing on Poppy's foot here. Bye, Poppy. Say goodbye. Bye.